Hey, what's up guys, this is Young. In this Blender tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do a head transplant. So let us begin. So I'm going to work on this. So you can hide the hair, we don't need the hair. Select this and go into edit mode. And here's a cutting point. By holding alternate and left click, you can select this loop. So let us select maybe this loop, okay? And I hide it first by pressing H, and then link selection by pressing L. Hover your mouse over here, press L to select this, and go into wireframe mode, Z. B to box selection, and then Z to go back to solid mode, Z. And then, oops, I think we have selected the wrong thing. Let me deselect this by holding Shift and left click. Okay. And unhide this by pressing alternate H. There you go. So there are a few ways of breaking this apart. You can press Y to break the part, but it is still part of one object. So let me undo this, Ctrl Z. Okay. Or you can also press P to separate the mesh. So it becomes another object. See? So this is the head. Let me just rename it. Head. So we don't need this head anymore. You can hide it. Or you can also delete it. But I'm hiding it as a backup in case I need to use some part of it. And now, select this loop by holding alternate and left click here. Shift S, cursor to selection. And then, I think I need to go back to object mode. You can click here, or you can also press tab. Add monkey, Shift A to add. And then this is too big. Let me scale it down. Okay. There you go. Let me just scale it up. Big. Okay. Okay. On second thought, I think we don't need this. So let me just break it apart. Hide this. And you select this. So how I did it was I hold Shift and Control, click here, it will select 4 of these points. 4 of these faces. And then add a modifier, subdivision surface. Or as a shortcut, you can also press Ctrl 1, 2, 3 like this. So I think 3 will be good. Oops. Okay. Accept change. Let me delete this face and then select this loop. Let's see how many. So I've enabled scene statistics. You press right click and then scene statistics. So it is showing the edges. It has 64 edges here. And let me jump to this object by pressing alternate Q. This is a shortcut to jump between objects while in edit mode. So that you don't need to always go back to object mode and then select another object and go to edit mode and do the same thing. It is a bit slow. So you can just while in edit mode, in the selected object, you can alternate Q. Press alternate Q instead. Okay, 64 edges. And let me see. What about this? 54 edges. So they don't match. We need to make them match. So 64, 54. Let me cut this down to 54. 64. I think that will be 10 loop, eh? And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ctrl+X. Okay. How many? 56. Okay, 2 more. Maybe here. Ah, okay, there's a whole loop. Ctrl+X. Okay, 54. Nice. And now, what I can do is I can also smooth this. Smooth edges. Nah, not this. Smooth edges. I think I need to activate this add-on called LoopTools, so that you can just right click LoopTools, then select on relax. Okay. Relax. Shift+R to repeat. Okay, I think it looks pretty good now. Let me just adjust a little bit here, maybe a little bit larger. Okay, it's time to join the object. Select this, Shift, select this, Ctrl+J to join the object, so it becomes one object. And then, now, you can go to LoopTools, Bridge, to bridge it like this. Or, you can also search for Bridge Edge Loop. See? And then increase the number of cuts. But for some reason, the LoopTools bridge, it looks nicer in this case, so I will just do it like this, okay? And now you can go to Sculpt mode and then smoothen it. Holding Shift, click. Okay. Face selection, height, select link, unhide, smooth. Where is the smooth? Shade smooth. Okay, tada! There you go. Good job. As for the aesthetic purpose, I mean adding the hair from the previous model, as long as you have the basic Blender knowledge, you should be able to do it by yourself. Okay. In this example, I've also added the hair to make it look interesting. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys like my tutorial, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.